Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam error code 109 quickly and effectively so you can connect to servers and play your games without interruptions. This error usually happens when Steam is blocked from accessing the network or when conflicting software prevents it from connecting properly. First, restart your computer and router to refresh your internet connection. Next, disable any VPN or proxy service because Steam may block connections from masked or restricted networks. After that, temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus, as they can sometimes interfere with Steam. If this fixes the problem, add Steam as an exception for future use. Another useful step is to clear your Steam web browser cache. Open Steam Settings, go to Web Browser, and click Clear Cache and Cookies, then restart Steam. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version, and if needed, reinstall Steam completely to remove corrupted files. After following these steps, error code 109 should be resolved, letting Steam connect normally and work without errors. Subscribe the channel for more videos.